We are pleased to show you the 2016 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and a Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, rear all-season tires, privacy glass, fog lamps, steel wheels, front disc and rear drum brakes, tire pressure monitor. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.